Welcome to Radvesh Finance. We are presenting Nasdaq predictions, Nasdaq Composite Index, and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from the 28th of April till the 1st of May. I guess so. It's till 3rd of the May by Radvesh Finance. If you see the last week, whatever we have given in predictions has up to certain limit, literally crossed the peak of the week point. I mean to say Nasdaq 100 has gone above 19,450. We have given 19,550, and apart from that, Nasdaq Composite Index also performed around more than 17,100. Okay, so it has crossed around it 17,382 points, and it has closed around it. So we were expecting economy will be stable in USA, but it can affect in APAC region basically. As we see, there is a volatility, and yeah, I mean to say the Chinese economy or the Indian economy, or it depends on the political influences across the world. So, anyways, we will speak about the predictions of Nasdaq Composite Index right now, right here. Wait and watch. The previous video link is into the description. For further information, you can walk through that video. Predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from the 21st April 2025 till 26th April 2025. Composite Index may hit the new peak of the week, may touch up beyond 17,150 point, and it can go stabilize around 16,850 point. Suppose it is going down, it can touch up to 15,550 points. Suppose Nasdaq 100 can goes up to maximum 19,550 point, it can show some sort of stability 18,900 point, and suppose it goes down 17,450 point. Are you expecting whatever we have predicted from the market? I know our YouTube audience is very much intelligent, because they do a lot of analysis before investing into the market is at a rest right now a lot. There will be volatility a lot, and there will be unpredictable thing may happen in next whole month. Hope you enjoy our YouTube video. Thank you by Vridvesh Finance. Yes, we will speak. Last week there was Easter Sunday and Good Friday. Hope you enjoyed. So if we see this predictions has give some sort of stability over here, we will not release any equity analysis video on this weekend. Probably next week. By next week, you will see our new predictions video for with respect to the countries, in the sense with the respect to different I mean US indices, as we will pick the new equity leader, which can give it to you good returns. So let us see what equity analysis will speak by next week. Wait and watch. Have a great day. Happy Sunday. Hope you enjoy it. So here is the predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from 28th April 2025 till 3rd of May 2025. So the Composite Index maximum goes up to 17,875 points. It can give some sort of stability around 70,550 around it. Suppose it goes down, it can touch below 16,550 point, where suppose Nasdaq 100 goes up, it can touch up to 19,850 point. It can show some sort of stability around 19,400 points, and suppose it goes down, it can touch up to 18,650 points.